So I'm picking back up the cross shard stuff. What is the path from Osmo Cap to here? Oops. That's not relevant. Osmo Cap office hours. So how do we get to cross shard messaging from here? Maybe the wiki and then rholang. All right, maybe by my profile. Right. We're in JS2row issues. Huh. I think, well, this should probably be moved to JS2row. But maybe not right now. Okay. So we have this possible fun project. This is the marshalling layer that's here. And actually, we might play with capTP itself a little bit. Last time, we had this capTP tool. Interesting. And then we did this. So if we wanted the bootstrap thing to actually, or the get bootstrap thing to actually work, let's see, what did we do here? Node lib capTP tool. Module not found. Cannot find package endo in it. Was I using yarn or npm here? Probably both or something silly like that. All right. How did I run this thing last time? Agoric Marshall, that's not right. Really? Oh, Blake JS. Why is it trying to, what is going on here? Why do I not have all the toys? Wonder how I was running this before. JavaScript packaging tools are messy because it's such a big world.
Are you having an issue with the dependency?
It looks like it.
Why not just reinstall, delete the node modules and reinstall it?
Turn it off and turn it on again. Oops, that's yarn. Yeah, as well. I use yarn for most of my work, so okay.
Yeah, from experience, Ian seems to work more consistently than NPM.
Where's the? We'll try this. Let's try this again. Ooh, look at that. I wonder if the tagged arrow went out. Yes, it did. Oh, yeah, look at that. Don't know why it's complaining that encoding is include. All right. That's a relatively small. Oh, look at that. That's probably looking for a key. Oops. Yeah. Jim, can you give me the Bootstrap account for robot.net?
Gee, I'm not at the terminal right now, but I will be in a minute.
Wonder how you gave it to me last time.
Well, it's on the website. If you go to our chain and you go to getting started, it's right there.
Or you could check the documentation.
There's a lot of documentation in the world, guys. Getting started. I don't see getting started. Oh, there it is. Full documentation.
No, it's you go down the keys there. I thought it was near the top.
Sorry, what's my next link?
It's all right on this page. There it is.
This one is for, it works for robot.net?
Unless they changed it, that's what
Okay.
got it, basically.
Hmm. Then how do I look at the logs of robot.net?
You look at is it our, or
There's something there. I could try logs. That's not good enough.
damn it. Forget this stuff.
Um, Looking something up in 4 hours of video is not my favorite, but maybe it'll work. That's how that works. Good roll. Oh, I said. Arno dash log. Oh. Just robot.net. Okay. Okay. Oh, here we are. So we just did that now. Okay, so now we need to have something on the other end ready to receive this, so we probably need to wrap that a little bit. Okay. Make connection. Oh boy.
I've been trying to understand what capTP does. Is it like some sort of gateway?
It's a little bit like RPC, except that you can send capabilities as well as data.
And yeah, basically the four tables.
Yeah, so when you send messages back and forth, the messages can include object references, unforgeable object references.
So, okay, so you could use capTP as some sort of a communication device or protocol.
It is a protocol, yeah. The P in protocol in capTP is capability transport protocol.
Okay.
Yeah, it doesn't specify bytes on the wire. It's a little bit abstract, but that's why we have to. We're doing an implementation of it here. So what I did.
You did find the log. You did find the log, didn't you? Arno dash log.
I did.
Okay.
We're live. So now we need to figure out what goes on the other end, which I've explored in this file. Um, all right, so let's go back to this world. I guess, oh, wait a minute, J row, what's that? Ooh. All right, who knows what that is? All right, let's just make another. Um, uh, and then it didn't say, hey, do you want to do rholang? I've kind of avoided keeping the rholang thing around because it does all kinds of Docker crud or something. Oh, I see, enable. Okay, here I am. How do I make it go? Where'd it go? There it is. Oh, okay, we seem to have highlighting. All right. Okay, so we're not using the RPC pattern we've used before because we want to do two-way messaging, not just one way. So that's just going to give an acknowledgement. Maybe that's good enough. Okay. Now we need two things here, don't we? All right, and then VAT boot is how to get ready. Ugh, how's this going to work?
Was that private key 28A5C9? Oh, never mind.
Yeah, 28A5C9.
Thanks. Just want to make sure we have it same everywhere.
One moment. I need an on the air sign.
Yes, you do. I'll work on it.
Okay. Let's see.
You want
How do we do debug logging? Oops. Or no, actually we need, I suppose we need sequence numbers, don't we? Well, let's just walk before we run. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Okay, what's this gonna do? We can do isn't there a 2-byte array and hash? In rholang? All right, and where's the hash function? Is it just hash? Anybody remember? You guys are supposed to be the rholang programmers.
I thought I saw it of the like scroll up a little.
Yeah, here it is.
Isn't that different from what you're trying to do?
How so?
I thought you wanted to use the 2 bytes array method.
Yeah, I did that. Now I want to hash the bytes. Maybe I don't want to hash it that badly. Can I do length? What are the operations on a byte array? Anybody remember?
Yeah, if you, I saw one of the example. Like go back to the previous page you were on. Yeah, then scroll up a little. Yeah, up. Yep.
This is all Scala code. I want rholang.
Oh, okay.
Was it? What if I, so this is supposed, this looks shiny. Suppose I went here. That's not what I want. I certainly didn't want a new window. Dot length. Well, that's for. I'll just do that. All right. So, and then I want to do the, what is it? Insert arbitrary. Is that right here somewhere? I think I saw an example recently in development. Good morning. Oh, we got two gyms now. Where was it? Something like that. So this is going to be a pain. We'll see. It stood out how I do logging, Jim? Did we lose Jim? David, do you know? Yeah, it doesn't automatically indent. David, do you have any tools that automatically indent rholang? Does that look plausible? Problem is, I think I only get, let's see. Am I still on? Can I make this bigger? No. Am I still connected?
Connected to what?
Oh, to Zoom. I wasn't.
Yeah, we got you.
Okay. So I want to deploy this now. Oops. What's happening? Oops. Whoa.
Yeah.
Just recorded my password. Okay.
Yeah, sometimes if I have to log into MetaMask, I have to restart or something, get it to work right.
All right. First, let me change my password here. How do I do that?
We can't see MetaMask for some reason.
It's not MetaMask. It's Brave's wallet. I don't want it. I don't want it on the recording. Settings. That. How do I change the password? Whoa. There's no change password thing. What the heck? Okay. You just have to start over from your seed phrase. All right, I'll do that later. Okay, what I wanted to do was take this and deploy it. Not to mainnet. I want to do it to robot. Oh, what the heck? Okay, how should I deploy this? Should I hit deploy? Am I still connected? Jim?
Yeah, it's your MetaMask account connected.
Yeah.
But I can see not connected. Well, just hit deploy. It's supposed to bring up the pop-up anyway.
Okay. Connect. Did that do it?
I thought I can see a problem. Generic processing error. Can you check your network tab to see what the problem is?
My network tab. This one?
Yeah. Oh, I think I see what the problem is. Are you trying to the network I can see is mainnet. Shouldn't it be robots or something?
Yes, it should be robot.
Did you sign it?
I don't know. Tell me. Generic
When
process.
you hit deploy, it has to say,
Yeah, perhaps you might need to refresh the web page or something.
Okay, so I refresh, then I have to choose robot again. Then I grab my stuff again. Over here, paste. Now, am I ready to deploy, you think?
yep,
Generic processing error.
that's bizarre.
Yeah, it's supposed to bring up a MetaMask interaction.
All right, hold on. Let me futz with something for a second. Because I had it set up to use Brave wallets. Maybe that's not the right thing.
Bravewell used to work.
I'm not even sure. Where's MetaMask? Oh, maybe this thing is screwing me up. Do you have to turn shields off?
I don't know.
So suppose I tried to deploy that. Generic processing error.
Weird.
Select an action, check balance, deploy. I'm not sure if I have MetaMask installed anymore. Let's try this again. I don't know if I'm going to get very far today.
Yeah, it seems like this. Spirits are against out what biology ought to be. And I'm hoping that Greg can collaborates.
What does generic processing error mean?
I haven't the foggiest.
Oh, okay.
It may be the same error that Daryl was getting. And I think he ended up, he had to use MetaMask, but I'm getting old and I don't remember these things anymore.
Oh, connect MetaMask. What does that do? What does this do? Not much. Where'd it go? These are like tabs. There's not very much visual feedback about that. Is there any other user interface for deploying the robot?
Yeah, Thomas Love's page.
How do I get there?
I just type TG and it fills it in. DGR. What is it?
I think it's from Slav. That's
It's pinned in Discord. Wallets.
Sorry, where?
Wallets. It's pinned in wallets. And in Rock to Rev.
Not seeing it. Oh, there we go. How do I get to robot?
Oh, geez. I'm thinking localhost. No. Why don't you just use testnet?
Oh,
I don't know if you have to change
okay.
much to do that.
Maybe that'll work.
As long as the Bootstrap account has enough rev. It should have enough.
Oh, Bootstrap account. Zero.
Zero? How did that happen? How could it be exactly zero? Oh, probably restarted since. Yeah, I'm sure it was restarted since like.
you're checking on testnet, not this is the look at the observer node. You can see that this is testnet, not
Yeah, we know it's testnet. The question, since the testnet was restarted, it looks like nobody put rev into Bootstrap.
yeah, I was thinking you have to check robots network to see the balance.
Well, yeah, we don't have robot on from Thomas Love's page.
Can I deploy from here? How do you deploy rholang stuff, David?
I usually use, I don't use the interface, I use RChain Toolkit.
Okay, how do I do that?
That's a longer process because you have to install RChain Toolkit.
Well, isn't that just a JavaScript thing where you just do an npm install and you're rolling?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's localhost at this point, right?
I think you can specify the network.
I don't know how that would really be different from using the RGov interface.
Okay, now what?
This is the code you want to deploy, right?
This right here, yeah.
A second, just give me a second.
I don't see any command line tools.
For the command line tools, I had to write a separate library for them, for the command line tool. But I think there is something in the repository. So that was why I said that this is a longer process.
Well, how long?
I mean, no, if we just use the RGov interface and we look at the log, and we can see exactly what it's doing. It should be.
Yeah, why don't you just use another browser rather than Brave? Like try with some other browser.
You want to recommend one?
Chrome.
Yeah, Chrome or Edge. Any of the Chromium browsers, yeah.
Well, Brave is a Chromium browser.
Oh, really?
You could try, Firefox. Doesn't matter. But I know there's a problem with Brave that Daryl had. He was unable to transfer his rev in Brave. For the RPC airdrop.
Maybe I can do an exploratory deploy. Oh, there's a syntax error. Ah, how does this work? How do I get the cursor to be there?
Oh, that's a bug. I usually do a select all, I delete it and paste it back in again. Oh,
The indentation is weird. Oh, I see. Okay. Oh, wait. Okay. All right, so that's the syntax errors.
Can you pass line 12 to
Felix. Hi, Steve. Felix.
hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was saying, can you pass line 12 to the to standard out? I would like to see the response of line 12 or the output.
Oh, well, I haven't called the contract. Let's say, this cursor stuff is maddening. I've done this before. Star tar. That was a JavaScript thing. Ah, doesn't seem to have done anything. Oh, contract spawn. Okay. Uh, So that's what message 2 byte array length gives. Is that what you're after?